Welcome back to the Techie Bytes by ResoluteAI.in. It seems like you are having fun exploring about Power BI in this series. Don't forget to check out our previous videos if you are new to this channel. And do like and subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay notified for future content. Well, now we have a proper understanding of what is Power BI, what are its components, how to import the data, transform it, and use tags over it. So let's take it to the next level and introduce us to the amazing charts and graphs for which Power BI is well known.
Sure, let's head to our Power BI desktop. First, we will import our data. This is the preview of our data. So this is the supermarket sales data downloaded from the Kaggle website. We have gender, product, quantity, etc. columns. So you have to first read the data and see what insights you can get from it. Now let's create our dashboard. We'll use a text box for our heading. Sales dashboard. Make it bold. Increase size. Now we'll add a background color. Now let's create some KPIs, key performance indicators, using the card. We'll use total column. Make another one for rating. Adjust it a little. Next is clustered column chart. We'll use gender as legend and invoice ID as values. Now let's use a donut chart to show gross income by city. Select a pie chart to show branch and invoice ID. Let's make it a little smaller. Let's keep it here. Now let's take line and stacked column chart. We'll add rating to see rating in different branches. Now time for a line chart using the date field and gender, invoice ID. Let's add a slicer for the city. Let's keep it here. Another one for our date field. Now let's do some formatting. Add a background color, font color, increase the text size, make it bold. Our cards need some formatting as well. Category off, decrease the size a little. Change the background color for the cards. Add border, radius 28, add title, and now just use the format painter to copy paste the format to all the graphs. You can change the colors of every chart to make it more beautiful and lively. And then you can use the slicer to see the city-wise and date-wise insights.
These are some pretty nice graphs, and the way we can use slicers over them makes them even more informative. Cool. But it would be nice if we can connect graph on one page to the graph on another page to have some more insights about it. No?
Yes, the drill through option is just for that. Let me create another page and we will use the drill through option on it. Add a card here. You will see why we are adding a card here. Now, let me quickly create some charts for our drill through option. Our page is done. You can see add drill through fields here option. We'll drop the gender field there, and wherever you have used the gender field in our first page, like here, we can see the drill through option. Right click, drill through, detailed analytics. You can see all the insights are for the male. Now select the female, right click, drill through, detailed analytics. You see female. So as per our selection, we get the insights. So this is how we can use the drill through option to go from one chart to another.
That is amazing how easily we can do it here. And while formatting, I feel all the control in my own hands. So let me practice and get myself acquainted with all these graphs before we go to the next step.
Sure, and do not forget to comment if you have any doubts. After you are done with this, we'll see auto updating in Power BI. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.